Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Erisha Youth Support, and I'm here once again to discuss about the test AS. In the previous video, I have explained you about the core test module and the 4 subtests which you come across in your core test. Now today we will discuss about subject specific tests, right? Now a lot of students are there, they get confused that which subject tests we should take, right? So if you have confusion related to subject specific test, like which module you should take, you can always I would suggest that you should always encourage yourself and find out from the university, right, where you are going to apply and which course you are taking in undergrad, that which subject specific course you should take. However, for today we will discuss about one particular subject specific course, that is the module which is related to maths, computer science, natural science, right? So if you take this particular subject specific module, it is suitable for the students who are going to pursue their undergrad degree in terms of medicine, dentistry or veterinary medicine, along with that psychology, pharmacology, maths or computer science, biology, physics, chemistry, biochemistry. If you are going to pursue out of any of these subject your undergrad, then your subject specific module will be maths, computer science and natural science, right? So in this, what exactly happens is you have 2 subtests over here also. Now the major thing over here is this particular test is of 145 to 150 minutes, right? So first you will have 110 minutes core test. After that, depending upon the test center which you are taking, they may give you half an hour to 45 minutes break. During that break, I suggest you to you should instead of just wasting your time and energy talking with people what happened in the core test, how they have performed, individually you should sit, relax, drink water, do some breathing exercise, eat something, because obviously your brain needs food when you are going to concentrate for almost 5 hours, right? So when you get this half an hour time, always utilize this break to re-energize yourself, right? So that you can again start your subject specific module with the same kind of the focus with which you started at the beginning of the core test. Now in this subject specific module, I told you it is, as I told you, 145 to 150 minutes it will be there, and it has got 2 parts. First part is analyzing the scientific interrelationship, which is again 22 questions, and you'll get 16 minutes to solve these questions. The second part of it is understanding the formal depictions. Again 22 questions, but here you will get 85 minutes to solve this. Now in today's video, I will talk about analyzing the scientific interrelationships, right? So now in this particular type of, in this particular first part, you will get mostly the questions related to maths, natural science, right? For mostly related to the computer science and that, you will have the questions in the understanding the formal depictions. So what are the topics? See, again, when you talk about maths, it's like the vast subject is there. They have not defined any particular course structure or something, but based on the practice modules, based on the tests which our students have taken and the information which we have gathered, I can tell you certain topics related to which the questions could be there in your first part. So your questions could be related to physics, chemistry, thermodynamics, mechanics, astronomy. Like they may, in chemistry they may talk about the different changes in the states of matter, what are the different states of matter, and in biology they can ask about photosynthesis, Mendel's law of inheritance, and how it is applied. In chemistry they can talk about alkanes, pendulum they can ask, gravity, Newton's law of gravity. Along with that, you may have questions related to blood relations, blood groups, right? In biology, they ask you what are the different types of blood groups. If father's blood group is this, if mother's blood group is this, what is the possibility that a child will have what blood group? Or they may give you a blood group of mother and a child, and they will ask you to identify what could be the blood group of father. So something like that. And mirror reading is something which is little confusing for students, because this type of the questions you all have not done much till the 12th standard. Yeah, of course it's a part of the syllabus, but then we have not put so much of focus over it. Now what happens, why students find difficult this part here? Because if you have taken in your 12th standard, if you have taken PCM, that is like physics, chemistry, maths and computer science, then the questions related to biology becomes difficult for you, right? So that is one drawback which students they take that. But if you have if you have got physics, chemistry, biology and computer science in your 12th, then the math related questions will become difficult for you. So it's, you have to be, it's like, no, you, again, they are not asking you to go in depth of the topics, but still they want that you should be able to know what is superficially the most important laws, and what is the concept, the broader concept you should know. May not be going into the nitty-gritty details of the topics, but yes, the broader perspective of these things you must be knowing. Then only you will be able to solve these questions. Now at Edisha Edu Support, we provide you the training related to test AS and or the core test, as well as all the subject specific modules. Now as I told you that these are the topics related to which you will get questions in your subject specific module part 1, that is analyzing the scientific relationship. 60 minutes you will get to do 22 questions. Now in this particular thing also, say related to gravity, pendulum or Newton's law, Mendel's law, we have a theory, right? The superficial. So I was saying that in our modules, what I'm talking about is like when we have these type of we prepare at Edisha Edu Support, we prepare you for your test AS portions. We give you the training for the core test as well as for the subject specific module also. So if I talk about analyzing the scientific relationship, all the topics whichever I have told you right now related to each topic, whatever the necessary theory is there, that will be explained, and then related to each topic, more than 200 plus questions will make you do in class. And along with that, we'll have these subject specific topic wise tests also, timed test we will make you give, more than 500 questions related to all the like subject text modules we have, and we have around 25 plus test papers related to this subjects, all the subject specific test papers. So we are there to help you. You can feel free to contact us for any help related to the test AS preparation. Now in my next video, I will continue about the math, computer science and natural science module. But this time in the third video, I'll talk about understanding the formal depictions, right? Fine. Thank you. Bye-bye.